Hello students, today we will do a practical session for session 29 of Computer Application Business subject of 5th SEM BBA affiliated to Bangalore North University. In the previous sessions, we have learned how to work on Microsoft Word. Now in this session also we will learn little more about working on the Microsoft Word. In the previous class, we learned what functions we have in file, home, etc. Now we'll go to insert. When we go to insert, we have so many options. In that, first let's learn about how to insert a table into a Word document. So in the Word document, where you want to insert the table, there we will place the cursor. Go to insert, go to table. To add a table, we have option given wherein we can have n number of rows and columns. I'll just show you. For example, if we want 4 row columns and 4 rows, if we click on it, you can see we have got 4 columns and 4 rows. In the columns, we can start typing as usual. For example, I just take out underline. Okay, we start typing whatever we want. For example, in column 1, I wrote it as serial number. Now I'll write it as name name, class, contact, excuse me, contact number. So eh, once we what information we have to put, we can enter into the table. For example, if we want to increase the table rows and columns, we can give if you give enter, the spacing will be increased. There we can go do a right click. There's an option called as right. There, when you go for a insert, you have insert columns to left, insert columns to right, insert row above, insert row below, etc. So if we want a row, so I'll insert row below. So we can see there's a row inserted. So even the column we can insert. If we want to delete, yes, we can delete. If we want any change in the columns headings, we can change. In the previous session, we have learned anything. If we want to change the font size, we want to change the font size of the number, or if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. If you want to underline, you can underline also. Let's go back to insert column. So table, I showed how to insert the table. Now let's see how to insert the pictures. See, where from file. For example, in the computer, if we have in our system, if we have any pictures, we can go select the picture, get it, and we can paste it in the Word document. Online pictures we can take, we can insert the shapes. For example, n number of shapes are there. We can select and insert the shape. So I selected one shape, I have inserted. If we want, we can drag this wherever we want, we can place it. For example, I am placing here. If I want, I can type some text into this. So any text, the size of the table what we have inserted, we can increase or we can decrease and we can place. So we can draw, we can take shapes from the insert column. If we want, we can delete this. Smart art is there, like any, if we want to insert some graphic, we can go here, select, and we can insert it. If we want chat, yes, some data if we want to place, we can select the chart. From this we have column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. Various charts are there. So whichever the chart we want, according to our presentation or our requirement, we can select and we can place. If we don't want a chat, we can delete the chat. If we want, we can insert whichever one we want. This option, if we go, we are going to set the header and footer for the sheet. So if we want anything specifically heading to appear in a sheet, which has to be done for all number of the sheets in our document, we can fix. We can give the page number, we can give the footer also. For example, in this particular document, we have given fifth BBA, fifth semester computer application in business Microsoft Word as a header. And if I drag it down, our footer, we have digital learning DCE Bangalore North University. So this can be inserted when we go to header and footer option. And if we want a page numbers, yes, we can insert the page numbers. Top of the page, if we want, we can insert. Bottom of the page margins, can wherever we want. The options, if we select, we can give the page numbers. After, later on, if we feel we don't want the page numbers, we can go select the page number. Then we can have an option called as remove the page numbers. If we click this, the name, the page numbers, whatever we have given, that will disappear. Next we'll go to design. Various designs, the titles, the format, whatever we want, we can select from this, and accordingly we can start typing the document. And when we want a layout, we have a margin. In the margin option, we have narrow, normal, moderate, wide. Which option we want, we can select. When we go for orientation, we will have portrait or landscape, whichever the information we want in the data. When we are presenting it, either we can put in the portrait orientation format or a landscape, that is vertical or horizontal, for taking a print as well as for the presentation. Next is the size option. In the size, we have a letter size, tabloid size, legal size, statement size, executive A3, A4, whichever size we want, we can select, arrange accordingly. Columns also, we can decide how many columns we have. Then page breaks, the information when we are taking, we can arrange it according to our requirement. Line numbers, etc. These are the functions which basically we are supposed to learn, we are supposed to practice, so that working on Word becomes very easy. Thank you, students.